2015 to 2018 GMC Sierra card reader USB replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2017 GMC Sierra and I'm going to show you how to replace the USB SD card reader. It's right here, this guy right here. Now you want to get a plastic pry bar tool. I'll link one below. They're like $5 on Amazon. If you use a flathead for this job, you're going to scratch up your inside. And it's up to you what you want to do, but this blue tool won't scratch anything. We're going to go in from the sides here. We're going to push this between the USB and the center console, and you're going to kind of twist this sideways to kind of pry the sides. On the sides, there are these little white notches that you kind of compress. Just work both sides, and then you're going to pull this guy out. There's going to be two connectors. Unplug the little black one first. There's a little button in the center of it. You can push down and pull it backwards. Try not to let it fall back into the center console. Otherwise, you're going to have some annoying problem to deal with. Same with the white connector. There's a little thumb tab button. You push it, pull it backwards. Don't pull by the wires because you'll break them. But here it is right here. I'll go ahead and remove this. Now, side note, sometimes when you're doing this, the case will come off. If it does, just grab these two little white pieces on the side, squeeze them, and then pull this forward. Every other one I do that happens, the case will just pop out instead of the whole unit. If it does, just pull it out like this. You won't get electrocuted or nothing, and then just unplug the connectors. And then this can actually go back on if you just kind of line everything back up and then gently slide this back on. But if you're getting a new one, then I guess you don't have to really worry about it. But if you were to have to put this back in, you could slide it back together if you need to like that. You just make sure everything's lined up and then put it together. But I got the old one out. This one has a part number on the side. This is part number right here. They sell these on Amazon. They sell the GM AC Delco ones. That's OEM. They're about $98. Now, there's a low star count, but that's just someone complaining about the date it was manufactured or something. Don't worry about that. They only sell OEM ones of these. So once you get your new one, unwrap it, and we're going to plug in both connectors right here. Just be patient. Make sure they're plugged in all the way. And then once you get them plugged in, we're going to just put this in with the notch on top and then just push this into place like this. And there you go. That's it. All you gotta do. Nothing else. Nothing else needed. Well done. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.